1, 2, 3.
Thank you for your speech. And POI from Team Affirmative. Now we will hear from the third speaker from Team Affirmative. You have 7 minutes to present your case. Your time starts now. Environmental impact. Weather change can also affect the environment where we live. For example, food due to heavy rain can go stagnant. Waterways become a nest for mosquito which spread diseases such as malaria and dengue fever. Increased allergy. Water change can also affect air population level and the amount of pollen circulating in the air. This can lead to an increase in allergy and respiratory disorders, such as asthma, which in turn increase the risk of developing other diseases. Negative impact on mental health. Extreme weather change can also have a negative impact on mental health. Severe weather such as heat or rain or dry weather conditions can cause feeling of sadness, fatigue, or even depression in some individuals, which in turn can weaken their immune system. The impact of climate change on their health can occur directly or indirectly. 1. An effect human health, direct exposure directly from change in weather patterns. Temperature, rainfall, humidity, rise sea level, and increasing frequency extreme weather. And 2. Affect human health incredibly. The mechanism of what happening is climate change influence environment factors such as change in environment quality water, air, and food. Layer thinning, ozone, resource depletion, water loss of ecosystem function, and eventual land degradation. This affect health impact due to change. This climate can cause population has an effect on health and population. Man. 1. Embrace factor for vector-borne disease. Vector-borne disease due to climate change. A. Climatic factors have influence against the risk of transmission of infectious disease vectors such as dengue fever, chikungunya, malaria, leptospirosis, filariasis, and its humidity, rainfall, and moisture. They have a positive relationship with climate change. Next, its arrival and brightness. Breeding places are increasingly expanding insects. The dengue tanks are increasing humidity, rainfall, and rain days affect the lifespan of the mosquito on factor 16% of mosquito lifespan in short potential as the vector decrease both moderate rain but timing like will increase breed place, so the risk increase vector population, high rainfall, and condition will so both will cause breed place dreaming. No thanks. Cause population decreases but full potential for frequency exposure to infected with bacterial and virus. Death and disease cause health exposure to climate change affects mortality and morbidity from disease caused by heat exposure. Cause factors such as age and other illness, such as heart disease and diabetes, can exacerbate the effect of stressful. Under natural conditions, just animal human can survive temperate time and 315 Celsius without significantly, but temperature above results depending on how long the dehydration occurs. The impact from heat exposure to too hot temperature has dropped. Yes.
What is the connection between the increase in allergy and respiratory diseases such as asthma and water change?
Water change is current air population source of ozone and dust which can trigger allergy creation and warning asthma or weather change can also cause illness. Childbirth